So we just got a chicken plucker, and Alex used it once already, so this is our second time using it. So I thought I would make a little video for you guys to show you how to do the chicken plucker. We're gonna do 3 chickens today, not very many. We got a couple little kids still tagging around with us, so him and I were just gonna do 3. So I won't show you guys the kill part of it today, but I will show you the whole rest of the process. So far he has 2 chickens that we're letting bleed out. You want to let the blood come out of it before you start the process, otherwise it'll get really messy. These are meat chickens that we've been raising. We got these, I think, from McMurray Hatchery. They're red rangers. Yeah.
That chicken is dead right there.
It is dead. And yes, we let our kids be involved with the process if they want to. We never ask them. They're the ones that ask us. So yes, they do it too. We have a pot with some water boiling, because first we have to scald the chicken, and then this is our plucker. So it spins around pretty fast. First we dunk it in some hot water. For how long? Like 30 seconds?
About a minute.
About a minute. So loosens up some of the feathers, right?
And you dip it up and down.
Okay, we're ready to put it in the plucker. That's it. How long did that take?
Yeah, it's not quite bad.
A couple little pieces.
Takes about 30 seconds.
And then there's this little drain right here where all the feathers and the water that we spray drains right out onto the ground. And that's the end result. There's a few in the harder to get spots, but for the most part, that is one plucked